हाँ जी, हाँ जी, नहीं ऐसा नहीं है. This. Hi. Hello, hi. How are you? We must.
So it's better to be late than be miss the late.
हाँ जी.
It's better to be late than be miss the late. तो ये कोड आपको शुरू होता है.
I would just request someone from Eros to take this question actually.
You got some? हाँ जी, ईरोस वाले बाहर कुछ निपटा रहे हैं. आप आगे पूछिए. कौन कौन आया है आज? जिंग, एबीपी, न्यूज नेशन, टाइम्स नाउ, लाइव इंडिया, एनडीटीवी, आज तक, इंडिया टीवी, CNN, IBN.
No, I think they should talk to you all about it once.
Thank you.
She had a question for you, so if Eros.
Alele ahe. Hi, friend.
Hi everybody, I'm from Eros. Due to this unforeseen circumstances, this was delayed. Now nature, if I have to say, was cruel to us. So it started raining, chopper couldn't land. So it is not at all, they have been extremely supportive. And whatever we have been asking, they made all means to reach here.
But you know what, there was not even proper management for media. To be very honest, we
So on that behalf, it is our mistake. I apologize on behalf of the
क्या कुदरत पे आपका कोई काबू नहीं है?
And basically we missed out on the main thing which we came here for.
So we have, so like I said, we just kick started. Release is in December. There will be a lot of opportunities and we all will come collectively. So let's not get disappointed. Let's just kick start.
Yo, keep it upbeat, come on.
Thank you guys. Thank you, sir.
नहीं, to be honest, everything was set and we saw some really unforeseen, unprecedented weather actually. We were just about to land in Pune और there were very, very dense clouds, बहुत ही बादल थे और बादलों ने देखा कि हेलीकॉप्टर में दीपिका आ रही है तो देखते ही बादल की फट गई तो बादल फटते तो क्या होता है, रेन होता है, तो रेन हुआ और हमारे जो पायलट साहब थे, ही इज एन एक्स एयरफोर्स गाय, ही इज यूजुअली अ गाय हु अगर प्रॉब्लम है भी तो वो ले लेते हैं, ही हैंडल्स, ही इज अ वेरी गुड पायलट और उन्होंने बोला गाइज इज टू डेंजरस, वी मस्ट टर्न बैक. काफी सारा टर्बुलेंस था, मेरी ऑनेस्टली थोड़ी बहुत यू नो little jitters in the stomach, but our pilot, he knows what he's doing. He suggested that we turn back, so we had to go back to Bombay. उसके बाद हेलीकॉप्टर से, गाड़ी से, प्लेन से, गाड़ी में, एक और हेलीकॉप्टर में, फिर गाड़ी में और फिर आए.
Basically, we took off at 7:30 in the morning. We couldn't land in Pune because of bad weather, even though we were, I think, just 2 or 3 minutes away. And so then we had to go back 1 hour, land in Bombay again. Then they had to organize for a private plane because I think there are no I think there are no like commercial flights. I think there was no commercial flight at that time. So then we had to wait for that to be organized. Then that was organized. So then we landed in Pune. Then there was another chopper that we had to take.
You know, often rain plays spoil sport. Like the other night, like 2 days back, I had to shoot. I was very tired, but I stayed up to watch the tennis finals, and that got rained out, and I missed that. So it often happens, you know, you plan something nice and positive, and then unforeseen weather will create a ruckus. And that's what happened today. But we're really sorry.
As disappointed as you all are, we're equally disappointed for several reasons, because this is really the kickstart of the Bajirao Mastani campaign, and we were really looking forward to this. And I will give the team credit and say that they've worked round the clock over the last 2 or 3 weeks to put this together. It's not easy to put together a scale of this an event of this size, and we were disappointed because we had I think we had everything ready, and we were looking forward to seeing these little kids from school put up this activity. But I believe that also, I think they have school tomorrow and they also have to leave. So then we sort of all agreed that we'll go ahead and do it anyway without us being there, instead of delaying the whole thing further. And I think some of the kids, we managed to see them. They were in the school bus and they were going. So we stopped and we waved at them. And hopefully from our next event,
Rain will not play
I think we'll
spoil
play it
sport.
safe and keep it in Bombay.
Yeah, that's a better idea.